Openvibe bug report tutorial. How to report problems and app issues step by step. So here you go guys, I'll be teaching how to report here on Openvibe right here. The report here on Openvibe today, I'll be teaching how to do it. All we need to do is open up our Openvibe right here. Once we open up our Openvibe right here, on the bottom right corner you will see a profile right there. Press on the profile icon on the bottom right. After pressing the profile icon on the bottom right corner, all we need to do is go down, and here you will see stuff right there. And now let's say you see all the new patches. There we go, and there. And now to report something right here, click on the settings on the top right corner. After pressing on the settings on the top right corner, you'll be looking at your settings. Here all we need to do is go down, and once we're down you will see report a bug right there. Press on report a bug. There you go. Here you can add up your message right here, what happens step by step. There you go. And once you add your message right there, you can put your contact information in the middle. There you go. You can put your email right there after your report, so you can get the email notified that you will that your concern has been read and will be because this will be addressed. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it guys. That's how you report here on Openvibe. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no question concerns, you can always type it down question below guys, and we'll be happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you guys.